Hey class, today we are looking at adding integers. So we'll be moving into the adding and positive and negative integers very shortly, but I want to start with a quick review of some stuff that we did last term. Okay, a really nice and easy question. What's 3 plus 4? Duh, miss. Alright, like where are you going with this? Let's give it a shot though on a number line. This is going to come in handy very soon when we are adding negative numbers. Okay, so this sum here represented on a number line, we would begin at 3 and then we would add 4. So when we add 4, we move in this direction. Yeah? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's our answer. Okay, so we add 4, moving to the right of the number line to get to 7. I promise that will come in handy very, very shortly. So when you're adding integers, okay, we start at the first number written in the sum, just like we did in the Are You Ready? But when we add a positive number, we'll move to the right, and when we add a negative number, we'll move to the left. I will teach you a shortcut for this soon, I promise, but for now we're keeping it really, really basic. So there's a number line ready to go. We'll start with part A. So we're going to start at positive 4, which is right here. And then we're going to add negative 3. So please look carefully at this second point. When we add a negative number, we go backwards. So adding a negative number, go this way, and adding a positive number, go that way. Okay, so when we add a positive and when we add a negative. So positive 4 plus negative 3, we're going 1, 2, 3. Okay, so positive 4 plus negative 3 is just 1. You might notice that that's the same as saying 4 take 3. Ooh, there's a little tip for you. We'll come up against that early next week. Okay. The second question, part B. So, where's my mouse gone? Gotcha. Alright, so we're going to start at negative 3 because that's the first number listed. And then we're going to add positive 6. When we add a positive, we go right along the number line. So, starting at negative 3, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that gives us positive 3 as our answer. You don't have to include the positives in front of the answers unless you really, really want to. I'm going to begin leaving them out anyway, but the answer is positive 3. If you don't put a little symbol in front of it, I'm going to assume that it's positive. Okay, so the answer for part B is positive 3. Moving on to part C. Let's go purple. Okay, so we're going to start at negative 4 this time because that's the first number listed. Always begin at the first number listed. And then we're going to add negative 2. So when we add a negative number, we move to the left of the number line. So we're going to add negative 2. And that gives us negative 6. Notice that I've got the little negative in front of the 6. It's not very little, but it's very clearly there. Okay, so the answer is negative 6. And finally, we're going to start at positive 7 for part D. Then we're going to add negative 13. So again, we're moving to the left. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And our answer for part D is negative 6 as well. Okay, so that's all there really is to it. Start at the first number in the sum. If you're adding a positive number, you would move to the right, add as per usual. But if you're adding a negative number, you must go backwards. So go to the left of the number line. And that's all there is to this lesson, guys. As always, ask me if you have any questions, either via Teams or through email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But until then, good luck with the work.